So today we are going to learn something about very important things. Okay, and if you take page number 42, then you will understand. You see this table. Huh? So if you observe this table it is in simple present tense. Okay, if the table it is in simple present tense. Okay. For example, you see with the singular noun, verb yes or yes. So, dear children, for the third person singular in the sense what will come? He, she, it. When the third person singular, he, she, it only. For the verb forms, it will add yes or es for the verb form. For example, you see he, she, it. These are the third person singular. We say. So, verb forms, it will add yes or es. For example, see third person singular, see walks. Huh? You see walks. Huh? Speaks. You see? Huh? He speaks. You see? He speaks. She walks. Like that. For the third person singular only, yes or yes. Okay. So like that we have to understand. Here you see, with a singular noun, both forms yes or yes. Okay. You see now this side, the dogs runs. The dog runs. Because of the here see, the dog runs. A dog is a singular noun is there. Only one dog is there. The action word will be yes. Yes will be added here. So that's what you see. She goes to the market. She goes to the market. You see, she goes. So go is the actual verb form, and we are adding es. She goes to the market. She goes. See actually see. This is a go. And yes, we are adding es. She goes to the market. She goes. He goes. Only third person singular. He, she, it only. We have to use these words. Goes, speaks, walks, talks, like that. Huh? She goes to the market. Like that. And you see, with the plural nouns, verb without yes or yes. For example, they is there. You see, what is there? They. You see. You see. For example, see. We say they walk only. We say they walk. We don't say they walks. No, it is the error form. Here yes or yes will not come. Okay. So this is the third one. It is a plural. And you see. You see. Yes or yes. And you see. And when it is the form is noun form, you see the dogs runs. Here see the dog runs, and here see the dogs run. When the noun is plural, in the sentence when the noun is plural only, so the dogs runs. The dogs run. Why we are telling the dogs run here? Because of the noun is the dogs run. Because of the noun is here plural. So that's what. So we are telling the dogs run. For the action word, it is the verb form here will not come. Yes or yes. Only noun form only it will take yes. Okay. Yes or yes it will take. They go to school. You see, they go to school. You observe here. See, they go to school. Here is see, they go to school. Here it is no yes or yes. Because of the here it is plural form is there. Okay. And you see the table with I and you. Verb without yes or yes. See normally you see. Normally I run. You go to market. For example, it is a simple present tense. I run. I get up at 6 o'clock. I go to toilet. I brush my teeth. I comb my hair. I go to school. I take my bag. I come back from my school at 12:30. I wear my shoe. These are the I wear. Here it is, see, for example, you see, I wear. I wear shoes. I wear shoes. So here it is verb form, nothing is there, see. I get up at 6 o'clock. I get up at 6 o'clock. Here it is, I get up at 6 o'clock. Here it is, because of it is a singular. Subject is singular is there. Here verb forms, it will not come any yes or yes. If it is, for example, see, if it is he or she or it, so automatically it will come gets up. She gets up at 6 o'clock. She gets up at 6 o'clock. He gets up at 6 o'clock. He gets up at 6 o'clock. Like that. But here it is, we should not use when it is I, when it is a singular subject. Okay, see, I get up at 6 o'clock. So these are the simple present tense examples, dear children. Now you see, I run and you go to market. They go to market. For the action, verb form you have to see. They go to market. They go to market. Here it is, this one you see there. It is a plural form. So they go to market. Here it is, it will not come. They goes to market. It will not come. Only they go to market. It will not take action word yes or yes. For the verb forms, it will not add. No more adding. Only verb form. They go to market. They come to school. We go to they. So like that we have to speak in English. So very important. So one more second. So with a singular noun. See, singular noun. This is a singular noun. You see. I wear shoes. Correct, na? See, singular. I wear shoes. Yes sir. I comb my hair. See, I comb my hair. I comb my hair. See, I comb my hair. I brush my teeth. So same thing. So these are the simple present tense. It is like a daily activities we can say. Daily activities we can say. So whatever we get up and do it is like a routine. Say every day morning we have to get up and we have to brush our teeth. We have to go to toilet, comb our hair, wash our face. Correct? These are the daily activities. So these things are in the present tense only. These sentences are in the present tense only we have to say. Okay, like this. Now we have some more examples. Now you see. Okay. See, my father goes to church every Sunday. Why say my father? See, is a singular. My father is a singular, third person singular. Is it, for example, instead of my father, even if you write also, you see, he goes to church every Sunday. Clear? So like this, you see, she loves to play basketball. You see, she third person singular. I told you, he, she, it. So yes or yes. Yes or yes will add for the verb form. Yes or yes will add for the action word. So this is the love. Love is the action word. Correct? See, she loves to play basketball. Right? She thinks he is very handsome. She thinks he is very handsome. Now you see, she thinks. Think is a verb form. Think is a verb. So it is adding yes. So third person singular, this one we have to. When the third person singular only, the verb form will take yes or yes will add for the verb form. Okay. I run every weekend. I told you now simple present tense. See, I run every weekend. You see, I run every weekend. weekend मतलब end of the day, end of the weekdays, end of the week. What are the weekend? Saturday, Sunday. So the Saturday, Sunday will end of the week. Then the week will get over. The week will get end. So that's what we are telling. Yeah, weekend. Okay. We play tennis every morning. You see, we play tennis every morning. See? So here it is for the verb form no, yes or yes. See, because of here the plural. We play tennis every morning. Okay. Now you see, does he write a letter? See, question mark. Does he write a letter? Question mark. But answer, how can you say yes? If you want to make a answer, yes, he write. Yes, he writes a letter. See, for example, answer you see. Yes, yes, he writes. You see, write, he write. Yes, yes. If you want to say, for example, this is the question. Does he write a letter? Question mark. If you want to say answer, yes, he writes. See, action word. See, this is a verb form. Yes, will come. Yes, he. Third person singular. He writes a letter. He writes a letter. If you want to know this answer. Okay. See, they talk too much. Here is so, because of the here it is a plural form. The verb form will be no, yes, we not add. Does he go to school? Does he go to school? Question mark. If you want to make answer, yes, he goes. Yes, he goes to school. You see, yes, he goes to school. Yes, he goes, you see. Verb form. If you want to make answer, this is what, yes, he goes to school. Okay. It usually rains every day here. It usually rains every day here. You see, rains. Sometimes it should also become a usually. The simple present tense usually rains. Okay. You see, rains. It smells very delicious in the kitchen. It smells very delicious in the kitchen. You see, smells. Correct? The third person singular I told you here. He, she, it. Only yes or yes. For the verb form, yes will add. So it smells. Yes. Correct? My son lives. My son lives in London. My son lives in London. So son is a singular. He, she. So son is singular. So verb form lives. So yes or yes will add. So yes. My son lives here. So dear children, you just please watch this video 1 or 2 times. You will understand. So today this is enough. Tomorrow I will give you little more examples. Thank you so much.